All right, this is lesson 7. So we are skipping lesson 6 and moving on to lesson 7. You'll still have to do lesson 6 on Zearn, but it's a lot like lesson 5 that we did yesterday. So we're skipping 6 and you're going to jump to 7. So here we are. I can interpret the unknown in multiplication and division to model and solve problems using units of 6 and 7. So multiply by 7. So 5 times 7. Let's skip count by 7s to find the answer. I'll raise a finger for each 7. Count with me. So we have 0, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. So the answer to 5 times 7 is 35. Okay, now let's do 4 times 6. And we're going to skip count by 8s to find the answer. I'll raise a finger for each 8. Okay, so half of 6 is 3. So when we're counting by 8s, we only have to do 3 instead of 4 because we're doing half of 6 because we're doubling this number. Okay, 8, 16, 24. So the answer to 4 times 6 is 24. Let's count by 6s just to make sure, okay? 6, 12, 18, 24. Yep, same answer. Okay, let's count by 6s to 60. Start at 0. Here we go. 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Okay, now 8s to 80. Here we go. 0, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Now 9s to 90. 0, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. Okay. So on your personal whiteboard, write 6 times 6 equals. So remember, you can pause me, go grab your personal whiteboard, grab a piece of paper, whatever works for you. Right, 6 times 6 is equal to 5 plus what number times 6? So think about it. We have 6 times 6 on this side, and we already have 1 6 over here. We need another 6, right? So 5 plus what number equals 6? 5 plus 1. So if you wrote 5 plus 1 times 6, you are correct. Okay. So let's go on. Okay, right. So you should have written 5 plus 1 times 6, 5 times 6 plus 1 times 6. So we just brought this over. 30 plus 6 equals 36. Because 5 times 6 is 30, 1 times 6 is 6, equals 36. Just like we did yesterday. All right. Thad sees 7 beetles when he weeds his garden. Each beetle has 6 legs. How many legs are there on all 7 beetles? I want to draw a tape diagram. So what we're going to do is, so let's see. Going to insert some shapes. Okay, 1. Oh, I don't like this. So here's my tape diagram. Okay, there's 7 beetles, so I'm going to draw 7 boxes. I should have thought this through first. 1. Okay, this isn't working the way I want it to. So let's just go 7. Let's erase this. Erase. Let's start over. Okay, so if I could draw on this, I would draw a tape diagram. I'll draw on my whiteboard. How about that? There we go. Okay, so I know that there are 7 beetles, and he weeds his garden. Each beetle has 6 legs. So I'm going to draw 7 boxes with 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now we're going to count by 6s 7 times. Here we go. Count with me. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. So how many legs are there on all 7 beetles? There are 42 legs. Woo! Mrs. Ants finally got the answer. Okay. Moving on to the next one. Okay. Our application problem says, if students get 3 sets of pencils, each student gets 3 pencils. There are 21 pencils. How many students are there? So we are going to go, hold on. Okay, so each student gets 3 pencils. There are 21 pencils. So again, I'm going to draw, 3 pencils. I'm going to draw groups of 3 until I get to 21 and see how many students I have. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So I drew groups of 3 until I got to 21. So how many students are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is actually division because 21 divided by 3 pencils per student equals 7, because 7 times 3 equals 21. And 3 times 7 equals 21. And 21 divided by 7 equals 3. See all of that? Okay, so this is the problem set. If you have it in your binder, you're doing it in your binder. You can also do it on your slides. Okay, match the word to the correct, match the words to the correct equation. Okay, a number, so we don't know what that number is, times 6 equals 30. So a number, n, times 6 equals 30. So do you see, you would draw a line from this one to this one. So that would mean 7 times a number equals 42. You would draw a line to that one. And that is lesson 7 for you guys. Let us know if you have any questions, comments, concerns. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.